So I just left Walmart and I just bought two pair of pants for this look. I ended up spending only like $32 on both pair of these pants. So yeah, now we're gonna see what happens. Okay, so first off, I'm starting off by distressing these jeans. I'm only gonna distress up until the above the knee area, just because I don't know how far up I'll be sewing yet, so I'm not gonna go all the way down. As far as my technique, honestly, I'm not really doing anything too special. I'm just putting sporadic lines throughout the jeans so that I can distress them. So my shears are absolutely trash. I need to replace them ASAP. So yeah, just bear with me. It's gonna look like I'm struggling because I am. Okay, so on to distressing. I'm gonna be pulling out the threads that are going vertical just so that I can actually have the horizontal thread left over. It's not really that hard. It's pretty simple. And honestly, I kind of got a little lazy and I just started pulling on them real tough. So I might have made a couple rips, but it came out cute at the end, so it's okay. Y'all, this is taking me forever. Like, be patient when you're doing this. Like, this is taking so much out of me. So after finally finishing that tedious task, I'm on to going ahead and spraying a little water on the jeans and putting them in a dryer so that they can get more of a frizzier, fuzzy look to them. All right, we on to our second pair of jeans now. All right, so now I'm gonna start by just matching the jeans up leg to leg, and then I'm gonna cut the jeans right below the crotch area. All right, so now I finished cutting off both pant legs. It's time to go ahead and begin sewing them onto the other pair of pants. First, I'm going to start off by cutting off the bottom of the jeans just to give the pants more of a fit to them as opposed to being super tight. went ahead and flipped each pant leg inside out so that I can go ahead and attach them to my pair of pants that I will be wearing. Okay, so I'm just lining the seams up with each seam, and I'm facing one flap in one direction and the other flap of the seam in another direction, so when I'm sewing it won't accidentally break my needle or anything crazy like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and sew these two pieces together. I'm using a zigzag stitch because it allows the fabric to keep its elasticity. And it also is a pretty tight stitch, like it's less likely to come apart as opposed to a standard stitch. Okay, and these are the final results. I actually am pretty happy with how the jeans ended up coming out. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.